it's Kelly, and I'm back with another layout, and today I'm scrapbooking an adventure that we had. So we went to Crumbl Cookies. They had opened a new location, and the grand opening hadn't happened yet, so it was very convenient because 2 days later you couldn't even get in the door. But the kind of theme there is pink with black. So I had gutted this diagonal stripe ages ago and saved it because I could use it for a background. So that's what I'm going to do. That's Bella Boulevard Color Chaos, and it's the Peep Strands paper. And then because it's pink and black, I wanted to do like a black and white something, and I found this really beautiful paper from Anna Griffin. It's the black white dot paper. I think I bought this at either Michael's or Joann's, and I've had it a long time, so I highly doubt that it's even still available. But I love how that looks, and the dots on there are actually flocked. So not only is it a fun paper to kind of go with the fun theme of this layout, but it is it's a really just, I don't know, kind of fits the theme of Crumbl. So thought that was really fun. Now, verdict on the cookies, they're good, but they're way, way too sweet for me. And I have a really big sweet tooth. So if I could maybe share one and maybe have half a cookie, maybe only a quarter, and I need like milk or coffee with it. So they're pretty sweet. And we got like a sampler of different cookies, and I had just a little bit of each of them to try them. Crazy, crazy, crazy. We were having just a really impromptu kind of fun date, trying to figure out something new to do, and got some cookies, went to a park and sampled them. And I did not have nearly enough water. So anyway, but it was a great, fun experience. And they're not that far from me. It's easy. I actually pass them on my way home from work if I wanted a cookie. All right, so I took a picture of the box. I'm just getting a little collage. I've done this. I did this, I think, a couple layouts ago, too, with some photos of my grandson at a carnival kind of thing. Just getting four photos on a page. That's what I wanted to say. So I'm trying to figure out how to get some journaling space on here and thinking about that. I have these, and I can't remember what they're called. They're the Paige Evans Wonders Lolly stickers. And I liked the fact that I broke a little bit away from the pink and black and added the yellow in. Excuse me, I think it does a really nice job kind of popping the whole layout. So then I went through and I found this card from Ellie's Studio. I did cut the top off though. It's very lightly yellowed in the background, like a little pastel yellow, and I happen to have two of them. So I cut the top off. Those I'll use. I popped them in my box of labels that I use for Ellie's Studio, and I can use the tops as labels, and just leave the journaling card. I thought that the top called too much attention to itself, especially since I had the little lovely circle there. Just getting those under there so I have opportunities to journal in two different spots here. All right. There we go, getting that down. It is hard to get stuff to stick to the flocked paper because the adhesive needs to stick to the regular paper. It won't stick to the flocked paper very well. All right, so I have these Illustrated Faith paper clips here, and I'm thinking about using the yellow ones. I'm trying to find two more of the same yellow because I'm thinking I want another, at least one, to have two of them of the same color. And while I'm trying to do that, I couldn't find another one in yellow, but I found these Bella Boulevard flowers. They're the crochet flowers, and they're the daisies. These are older again as well. They haven't had this embellishment for quite a while. And I really liked how that echoed the little lovely embellishment, but it wasn't the exact same because I think 3 of those on the page would have been really overwhelming. Plus, The yellow in this is from the same color family, but it's still a little bit muted. And again, I love the pop of yellow here. So I think I've said this, I'm trying to use some of these Queen & Company embellishments that I really haven't used much of. These are the Queen & Company Bullseye in pink is what they're called, Bullseye. I don't know if they still have these available because these are fairly old, but I'm glad I finally got, broke into the package. So if I was playing bingo, that would be a good bingo square, that I opened a new package of something. And I've done that. I think I did that with the green ones. Maybe not. I think the purple ones had been opened, but I've used the green, purple, and the pink lately on layouts. I buy this stuff. It's nice to use this stuff. I was thinking about doing maybe a little pink bow above that, but it just felt like it was too much. I really want the focus to stay on the photos. I think it really does because they're very dark compared to everything going on around them, but the pops of yellow kind of create a little bit of a frame to lead your eye into the photos, which is what your embellishment clusters are supposed to do. They're not supposed to take away. Well, you can do, if you really want your embellishment clusters to be the feature on your page, that's fine. In my case, I really like to use them as the lead in and the frame of them. And, you do what you want, I guess, is the point. All right. So I'm just kind of playing around. I had that pink star and was thinking about using it, but decided I didn't like that. I did find a Thursday sticker from the Crepe Paper Good Vibes stickers. That's the sticker I used on the bottom. And then I found that pink circle in the hashtag Crumbl sticker book. I knew she had some pink, so I was kind of looking to see what was available. Just looking to see if there's anything else I might be able to use. Her colors are so good here. I need to start using some of those hearts and dots and that kind of stuff even more. I mean, I've had this sticker book forever and it's still, I still feel it's like you keep using it and it doesn't sort of end. So here is another pink circle here, and that again is from that hashtag sticker book. I just wanted to add, since I had 3 things in the other 2 clusters, I wanted to do it here as well. And then I did add the title of Crumbl Day in the Amy Tangerine Alex stickers. I forgot to show you that, or I forgot to do it until after the layout was done. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.